Hi guys, it's me Kevin. So today I will upgrade my sound system. So this guy will be helping me. Hi, please introduce yourself.
Hello, I'm Wei Ming from Crystal Audio.
So today what we do
Today we install the DSP digital sound processor in Proton X50.
Wow, nice. So what is the benefits of install this DSP
Okay, two main benefits for DSP in car. So number one, you can do the sound tuning based on your preference. You can do several tuning, like for example, you like the rock, classic song or pop song. You can do the tuning based on your expectation.
What about disco clubbing song?
No problem.
Cool.
And then the another benefit is we can improve the power because the DSP comes with the amplifier built in. So you can improve the overall power in your car. So after you install the DSP, you will feel like a surrounding sound system in car.
Okay, alright. Really handsome. So guys, if you like the post, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.